Welcome back. Now news from sports. Goan betting machine and Ranji Trophy captain Sagun Kamat became the most expensive player of Goa Professional League 2020 season 4 players auction. The dashing left-hander overshadowed KKR hard hitter Manvinder Singh Bisla to be sold for 2,65,000 rupees. Dempo Cricket Club bought Sagun and also got the best buy of the auction when they snapped up Sher Bahadur Yadav for only 45,000 rupees. NRB GSA Stars bought Bisla for 2,25,000 rupees.
55, Chaure, for 1, 60 Sarvagar, 85,000 Sarvodaya, 85,000 Sarvodaya, call 1, 85,000 Sarvodaya, 90,000 Dempos, 95,000 Sarvodaya, 95,000 Sarvodaya, call 1, 95,000 Sarvodaya, call 2, 95,000 Sarvodaya, call 3. Darshan Bisla for Sarvodaya, 95,000. Serial number 17. Any takers? 2,15,000 NRB GSA. 2,15,000 NRB GSA, call 1. 2,15,000 NRB GSA, call 2. 2,15,000, 2,20,000 Sarvodaya Royals, 2,25,000 NRB GSA. 2,25,000 NRB GSA, call 1. 2,25,000 NRB GSA, call 2. 2,25,000 NRB GSA, call 3. Manvinder Singh Bisla for NRB GSA, 2,25,000. 45 NRB. 145 NRB, call 1. 150 Dempos, 155 NRB. 160 Dempos, 165 NRB. 265 Dempo. 265 Dempo, call 1. 265 Dempo, call 2. 265 Dempo, call 3. Sagun Kamat for 265 Dempo.
In the additional general body meeting on Sunday, the Goa Chess Association introduced the 12 Taluka chess bodies to members. President of Goa Chess Association, Ashish Keni, revealed that there were some members who opposed the idea, but general body accepted it under the guidelines by the National Federation.
The Taluka chess associations which have been formed recently in all the talukas were introduced to the members of the general body. These Taluka chess associations have been formed due to the instructions of All India Chess Federation and as per the guidelines of the Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs. And once the Taluka Chess Association starts working, we hope that this will give a fresh boost to all the chess players in Goa. आणि प्रत्येक तालुकाक जे चेस प्लेयर्स आमचे ट्रेन जातले तातून गोंयचो आनिकूय प्लेयर्स नॅशनल आनी इंटरनॅशनल लेवलाचेर फुडें वतले अशें आमकां दिसून येता. सर्टन मेंबर्स, लायफ मेंबर्स ऑफ द एसोसिएशन were of the opinion that life members also should be given voting rights. This was discussed in the 19th August, in the July meeting of the general body of the association. And then once again we wrote to the All India Chess Federation whether the life members can be given voting rights, the existing life members of the association. But they expressly told us that voting rights will be given only to the Taluka associations. And this is as per the instructions of Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs, as per the guidelines of the Ministry of Youth and Sports Affairs. And All India Chess Federation has made it mandatory that all states of India and union territories will have to have either district or taluka for smaller states as taluka chess associations, and these itself will be the voting members at the general body.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.